3 rolling.
Hello guys, welcome back to Unwrap the Wrap. Today we have Kaido House Mini GT to be unboxed. We have Nissan Silvia S13-R Kaido Works V1. This is Mini GT hash 232 from Kaido House series. So this casting has a openable hood. Let's see how it goes. And I got this at MRP from Cards and Dolls. Box art is too clean. It's nice. The Kaido has written and the seafoam color is nice. Very clean, very clean. Nicely written. Let's check if we have a chase car. Oops. Paint job is nicely done. Let's check the back side. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's written built for the human race. Let's try the rolling test. It's good, it's good, yep. The front. That's nice. One thing I like about Kaido House is the reflective down surface. It's amazing. It feels good to see this. Let's check the mirrors now. Yeah, it has a good movable mirror, I would say. Yeah. There's the Nissan Silvia branding at the front. Now let's get the hood outside. Superb, superb. That's amazing, amazing details, guys. Amazing details. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, keep supporting, guys. Thank you for joining. See you later in the next unboxing video.